According to reports in the state media, China's planned defense expenditure this year is estimated to be about 1.78 trillion yuan, 246 billion United States dollars. The proposed defense budget was reportedly included in the draft budget report presented at the opening of the 14th National People's Congress, NPC, the country's legislature. Notably, the increase of 7.2% is the same as in 2023 and 2024. Some Western observers pointed out that for 10 years, China's defense expenditures have grown only by single digits, which might indicate an economic slowdown. On the other hand, the National Defense Authorization Act, NDAA, is any of a series of United States federal laws specifying the annual budget and expenditures of the U.S. Department of Defense, announces annual supports a total of $883.7 billion in fiscal year 2024 funding for national defense. Within this top line, the legislation authorizes $841.4 billion for the Department of Defense, DoD, $32.4 billion for national security programs within the Department of Energy, DOE, and $438 million in defense-related activities. Trump administration also demanded NATO countries to increase the defense budgets up to 5% of GDP. While presenting the budget on March 5, Chinese Premier Li Qiang reaffirmed his strong opposition to those who advocate for Taiwan's legal independence and their international backers, an oblique reference to the United States and its allies. We will firmly advance the cause of China's reunification and work with our fellow Chinese in Taiwan to realize the glorious cause of the rejuvenation of the Chinese nation, Li said. China's increase in defense spending comes as it invests in cutting-edge weaponry, training, and research and development aimed at further enhancing its combat capability and establishing regional and global dominance. For instance, it has developed and debuted a second fifth-generation stealth fighter named J-35A, started sea trials on the third aircraft carrier, Fujian, and launched the world's first amphibious attack ship equipped with electromagnetic catapults, Sichuan. Chinese military expert Fu Chanshao said with the Type 076 amphibious assault ship Sichuan expected to begin trials, the aircraft carrier Fujian expected to enter service, and the J-35A expected to go into mass production in 2025, China must invest in the development of new weapons to fill the gaps and improve national security. Having said that, Chinese defense spending is also aimed at achieving President Xi Jinping's goal of complete military modernization by 2035, which entails developing new ships, missiles, submarines, and surveillance systems, among other things. The country is also widely known to be pushing ahead in defense-related artificial intelligence, AI, quantum technologies, hypersonic platforms, and autonomous systems.